there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share your profile to someone you want, and how to share another creator's profile to anybody you liked. And now, without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Open TikTok app like this. Now, to share your profile, go to the profile bottom right corner of your screen. You can see the profile button over here. Just tap there, and this is your profile interface. And you can see the three-line icon in the top right corner of your phone, and just tap there. Okay, and you can see the two options popping out. Just tap on the settings and privacy, and you can see the share profile over here. On the bottom of the account categories option below the QR code, you can see the share profile button over here, or option over here. Just tap on that, and after you have tapped on that, you can share your profile to any means you like. You can send it directly from TikTok to any followers you want to, and you can message it through the message. You can message it through Messenger. You can share it to Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, and you can copy link, SMS, email, or these are all the other options available to share your profile of TikTok. You can use Discord if you have installed it, and if you haven't already installed Discord, check out my video how to install and create an account in Discord. Okay, and AOL, mail, chat, you can do anything. You can use any one of these platforms to share your profile. Or now, to share another creator's profile, maybe you want somebody to see a profile of anybody who are creating awesome contents, and you want your friends, your families, or your lover to see that creator's profile. Then in order to do that, okay, so if I wanted to share this user's profile, okay, just let's go. First, you might want to open the person's profile which you are going to share by tapping on the name over here. You can see the username of the TikToker. You can see its name. Her name is Numa Bang Lambo. I think it's a with 112. Just tap on that, and you will be taken to her profile. These are all her videos, and if you want somebody to see her videos, just tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner of your phone like this. You can share her profile to any means you like by direct TikTokers. The uppermost options are those who are using current TikTok currently, and these on the second menu you can see on the second line of options. You can see message, Messenger, Facebook, the same option. How would you like to share her profile with? And after that, you can report her, block her, send a message. Okay, guys, this is how you share a profile of TikTok. And this is this simple. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Once again, thank you guys.